Human behavior often follows patterns that most people rarely stop to notice. In everyday conversations, reactions and decisions are shaped by emotion, perception, and subtle social dynamics. When you begin to observe these patterns carefully, you start to understand people in a much clearer way. In this video, we'll explore 10 more dark psychology truths about how people think and behave. The purpose is not manipulation, but awareness. When you become more aware of these patterns, you gain better control over how you respond and interact with others. Let's begin. But first, if you're interested in psychology, human behavior, and understanding people on a deeper level, consider subscribing to the channel. New videos explore mindset, awareness, and behavioral patterns regularly. Now, let's continue. Truth number 1. People test boundaries to see what they can get away with. In many situations, people don't immediately show their full behavior. Instead, they observe reactions first. They might make small requests, subtle comments, or minor actions to see how others respond. If those actions are accepted without resistance, they often continue or expand. This isn't always intentional. It's often a natural way people learn what is acceptable in a situation. Clear and consistent responses tend to shape how others behave over time. When boundaries are unclear, behavior often becomes unpredictable. But when expectations are steady, interactions become more balanced and easier to understand. Truth number 2. People reveal priorities through repeated actions. Words can change depending on the situation, but actions that repeat over time tend to reveal what someone truly prioritizes. Time, attention, and effort are limited resources. Where someone consistently directs those resources often reflects what matters most to them. Observing patterns over days or weeks gives a clearer picture than listening to statements alone. Consistency reveals intention more reliably than promises. This is why paying attention to repeated behavior helps you understand people more accurately. Truth number 3. Emotional reactions shape how others respond. People naturally observe emotional responses. When reactions are strong or impulsive, others quickly learn what creates those reactions. This can influence how they behave in future interactions. Calm and steady responses often change the dynamic of a situation. When reactions are measured, conversations tend to remain more balanced. Emotional control does not mean suppressing feelings. It means responding thoughtfully rather than reacting automatically. This often leads to clearer communication and more stable interactions. Truth number 4. People respond to how they feel, not just what they hear. The emotional tone of a conversation can shape its outcome more than the words themselves. A calm and respectful atmosphere often leads to more open communication. Tension or frustration can change how messages are received. People interpret words through emotion. If they feel respected, they tend to listen more openly. If they feel judged or pressured, they may become defensive. Understanding this helps explain why the same message can create different reactions depending on how it is delivered. Truth number 5. Predictable patterns make behavior easier to anticipate. When someone reacts the same way in similar situations, their behavior becomes easier to understand. Patterns appear through repetition. Once patterns are visible, responses become easier to anticipate. This doesn't mean people never change, but repeated actions often create a clear pattern over time. Recognizing these patterns helps you respond more thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Awareness allows for better communication and clearer decisions. If you're finding this video helpful, you can support the channel by liking the video and subscribing for more psychology content. Your support helps the channel grow and continue creating videos like this. Now, let's continue. Truth number 6. The way information is presented affects how it's received. Context influences perception. When something is presented calmly and clearly, it often feels more reasonable. When the same message is presented with tension, it may feel more intense. People interpret messages based on tone, timing, and atmosphere. This is why delivery matters as much as content. Being aware of this can help you communicate more clearly and understand reactions more effectively. Truth number 7. People remember emotional experiences more than details. Specific words may be forgotten over time, but emotional impressions often remain. How someone felt during an interaction can shape how they remember it later. Positive emotional experiences tend to create openness. Negative emotional experiences can create distance. Understanding this helps explain why tone and atmosphere have lasting effects. Truth number 8. Calm presence can influence the direction of interactions. When one person remains calm, it often affects the tone of the entire conversation. Steady behavior can reduce tension and encourage clearer communication. In stressful situations, calm responses often lead to better outcomes. Composure does not mean ignoring problems. It means addressing situations with clarity and steadiness. This often creates a more balanced dynamic. Truth number 9. Reactions reveal what people care about. People's reactions often reflect what matters to them. Strong responses can indicate importance, concern, or discomfort. By observing reactions carefully, you can understand priorities and perspectives more clearly. This awareness helps you respond with more understanding rather than making quick assumptions. Truth number 10. Observation over time reveals deeper patterns. Single moments can be misleading, but repeated behavior over time creates a clearer picture. Careful observation allows you to notice patterns that might otherwise go unseen. When you observe without rushing to conclusions, understanding becomes clearer. This awareness helps you respond more thoughtfully in everyday interactions. Understanding behavior is about awareness, not control. When you begin to notice patterns more carefully, interactions become easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content about psychology, mindset, and human behavior. Thank you for watching.